Can you speak English? Can you speak English? What time is it? What time is it? What do you do in your free time? How much is it? How much is it? What is your phone number? What is your phone number? Who do you live with? Who do you live with? What time do you get up? What time do you get up? What time do you go to bed? What time do you go to bed? What's your favorite food? What's your favorite food? How many languages do you speak? What's the temperature today? What's the temperature today? What size do you wear? What size do you wear? Do you accept credit cards? What would you like to drink? What would you like to drink? Do you have a pet? Do you have a pet? Are you hungry? Are you hungry? How often do you take buses? Can I speak to Nancy, please? How long have you been working here? What time does the meeting start? Why are you crying? Why are you crying? Did you see my book? Did you see my book? Which color do you like? Which color do you like? Why are you late? Why are you late? How do you go to work? How do you go to work?